Ms. Sutton, you were suing the defendant here, Ms. Sutton, over a loan. This is your daughter, and she needed to borrow $3,000. You only had half of that, but another family member provided the other half. Your daughter paid you back in full, but she hadn't paid back the other family member. This caused some problems within the family, so you took it upon yourself to pay the outstanding balance on the defendant's behalf. You claim that the defendant agreed to pay you back the money you paid the other family member, but she hasn't, and it's been over 2 years now. You're suing the defendant for $1,300. Ms. Sutton, you claim that you had two separate agreements, one with your mother and one with this other family member. You claim that your mother here paid that balance without your knowledge, without your permission. The agreement that you had was with the other family member, not your mother, so you owe her nothing. Ms. Sutton, can I call you Laura?
Yes.
And can I call you Sheena so we can keep things straight? All right, thank you. Laura, tell me about your relationship with your daughter before now.
Perfect.
It was perfect.
Yes.
Would you define it as perfect,
No.
Sheena?
No.
Tell me why.
It's just like every other few months we'd go at it about something. We always bump heads.
So typical mother-daughter things?
Yes.
Okay, but not perfect.
No.
Does that surprise you? That she wouldn't consider your relationship perfect?
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah.
But, I mean,
Well, tell me more than just perfect. Tell me why you think it's perfect.
I don't think it's perfect, but it's just that when she needs, I'm there for her. And if I'm there for you and I give you something, we got some kind of agreement that I'm going to give it back to me. I want it back.
Was this the first loan you'd ever given your daughter? I'm
No.
assuming no.
No,
Okay.
several.
And she's paid you back?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me about the situation where your daughter needed $3,000.
She was in an eviction situation.
Okay.
She needed $3,000. I gave her $1,500, and a family member gave her $1,500.
Okay, how did the family member get involved? You say, okay, I can only pay you $1,500. Did you, Sheena, go to another family member? Did you go to the family member and
No,
ask on
she
her
did.
behalf?
She did.
She did?
Yep.
Okay, so you knew nothing about the agreement she made with that other family member in terms of
No,
repayment?
no, because I told her I would pay it back, and she just gave me my money back when she got her taxes.
So you were only concerned about getting your $1,500 back?
Yeah, but then I paid the other family member.
I know that. I'm not there yet. I'm trying to understand the agreement you had with your daughter concerning your money that you loaned her.
Oh, yeah, she gave me that back. She gave
Okay.
me that back when she was supposed to.
But you knew nothing about her deal with the other family member, correct?
In what way, though?
Well, when she goes to the other family member and asks for $1,500, they're going to have a discussion, I'm assuming, about repayment.
She didn't have a discussion. Another family member talked to that family member for her.
Some other family member approached another family member and asked about letting her
getting the
borrow
other
$1,500.
Yes.
Is that true?
True.
Did you have another arrangement with this family, or did you have an arrangement about repayment with this other family member?
That I just had to pay her back when I got my taxes.
So you paid your mother back first,
Yes.
and you had an outstanding balance
Correct.
of $1,500. Did you have a time limit? Was there other specific things you needed to do in terms of maybe a payment plan? Was it supposed to be paid all at once?
So this isn't my first time with that family member either.
Okay.
Anytime I borrow money from her, she wants it back during tax time. And
Okay,
I was
all
waiting
at
to-
once?
Yeah,
Okay.
because she doesn't like increments.
So, Laura, in your complaint, you said in February 2023, Sheena paid $1,000 back to me, and she paid $622 for my card note. Is that true?
Yeah, that's out of that's out of the 1,500.
Correct. By March 2023, Sheena still had not paid our family member. This was causing problems in our family. That's
Yeah,
what I'm
because
asking.
they were calling saying that they wanted their money.
They were calling who?
They were calling the other family member who got the money from her.
Were you aware
No.
that something was happening?
No.
Why did you get involved? Not that I'm
I didn't
saying
get
it's bad.
involved.
You paid the balance. That's you getting
Because
involved.
she couldn't pay it. That's why I paid it for her. She knew I was paying it for her.
So in advance of paying this other family member, you went to your daughter and said, I'm going to pay this family member on your behalf?
No, me and her, I don't know what discussion we had, but we had a discussion where I said, well, I'll just pay it for you. And then you pay me back when you get your taxes.
So you hadn't paid this other family member back yet?
No.
Is that true?
She paid it on her own.
You had no idea she was doing that?
No, when she paid it, she came to me.
She came to you after she paid the other family
Right.
member? Okay. What is the issue with paying your mother back?
I feel like I don't really owe her because, for one, she has 2 of my kids she claims on her taxes. That's more than enough back to you. And then she does daycare. That's money right there, too.
Wait, but you were going to have to pay $1,500 back anyway, correct?
Right.
Okay. Why does it matter who it goes to? Just pay that money back to your mother. She paid that for you. Thanks.